Hello and welcome to a little Buxton Barrow Man update video. Quite a while ago I made a video on ROC posts. Now if you want to know the history on these posts, I will just leave a link down below to that video. But the ROC post that I recorded, the one that's in Buxton on Longridge Lane, is now for sale. It has appeared on Rightmove only as of the past couple of days, and it's up for auction. Guide price of £15,000. And I just wanted to make this video because I don't think this is ever going to go back up for sale again in my lifetime. So this will be quite interesting to see, as there are pictures inside. And I was quite curious considering this one's in the middle of nowhere really. There's no one to really tamper with it, and it was locked. It was in a farmer's field. It's quite awkward to get to. And it is in good condition, but not original. Someone has adapted it for their own use, so the ladder is pretty much the same as it should be. Then we have a little storeroom. There is a chemical toilet down there, as there should be. Random little bits of things on the shelves. There's an asbestos fire blanket, which obviously is a little dated now. But then there's a board that's got a hatch key and things on it. There's notes dotted all over the place that have been left there since it was a bunker. And then there's the main room, which someone has turned into a sort of bedsit. I mean, there's a bed, there's curtains all around, which is interesting, and a lovely photo of a nuclear blast going off, and then a stove dotted right in the middle. It is quite intriguing, and I'm glad that it's in a good state. It's definitely a lot better than the state of the one that I tried to visit in Macclesfield, because I know that is now just a burnt out black box. And the auction isn't too far away. When I post this video, it will be 19 days away, beyond the 26th of September. I am intrigued to see who will buy it, because it's a bit of an odd investment for anyone really. You can't build on top of it. No electricity, there's no water, you couldn't really live in it. It's more of a hobby thing to have. But you've got to admit, it's pretty darn cool. That's pretty much it from this video. It's a very short update, but I do have a little bit of cleaning to catch up on. I have done some litter picking. Most of my footage has corrupted because I didn't use a GoPro. Lesson learned. So I did manage 3 full wheelbarrows worth of rubbish the end of the day. I'll also leave a link down below for the Rightmove page whilst it still lasts, so you can see these pictures for yourself, and there's also a video that the auctioneers have done walking through. Very interesting. And that's it. Hope you enjoy your weekend. Until next time, ta-ra.